Hi everyone, welcome back to Bright Learners. Today, let's learn 20 simple English sentences for your airport trip. Let's start. I arrive at the airport.
I arrive at the airport.
I look for the check-in counter.
I look for the check-in counter.
I check in my luggage.
I check in my luggage.
I prefer a window seat.
I prefer a window seat.
I get my boarding pass.
I get my boarding pass.
I go to security.
I go to security.
I take off my jacket and shoes.
I take off my jacket and shoes.
I put my laptop in the bin.
I put my laptop in the bin.
I don't have any liquids in my bag.
I don't have any liquids in my bag.
I walk through security.
I walk through security.
I look for my departure gate.
I look for my departure gate.
I wait for my flight in the lounge.
I wait for my flight in the lounge.
I hear the boarding announcement.
I hear the boarding announcement.
I board the airplane.
I board the airplane.
I put my bag in the overhead bin.
I put my bag in the overhead bin.
I fasten my seatbelt.
I fasten my seatbelt.
I change my phone to airplane mode.
I change my phone to airplane mode.
I ask for some water.
I ask for some water.
I read a book during the flight.
I read a book during the flight.
I feel the plane landing.
I feel the plane landing.
I show my passport at immigration.
I show my passport at immigration.
I answer the questions about my trip.
I answer the questions about my trip.
I get my stamp.
I get my stamp.
I pick up my bags at baggage claim.
I pick up my bags at baggage claim.
I leave the airport.
I leave the airport.
That is all for today. Practice these 20 sentences for your next flight. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!